Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. It's Friday, April 22nd. I hope you had a wonderful week. Things are good here. We had a really nice Easter. My sister came with her family. My kids were both home, so we just had a lot of fun. We played games, we ate a lot, and just spent a lot of good time together. So it was really nice. And yeah, I hope you had a wonderful Easter if you celebrated and or Passover. So let's get started with this week's Friday haul. I don't have a lot. I didn't do too much craft shopping this week, and I didn't get anything in the mail, although I'm waiting for a few orders, but I just haven't received them yet. So let's start with Dollar Tree. I went to the Dollar Tree that's a little bit further away from my house, but they usually have more crafty stuff. So I did get some stuff there. I've seen you guys haul these cute new packs of straws, and this is the only kind that I found. This one is the Surf's Up one. It comes with the little, tags you could put on your straws. I probably won't use them, but I did like the different designs of these. There's little clouds and triangles and stars and these gray ones with white stripes. So there's 20 in there. They feel really nice and sturdy too. I mean, they're paper, but they're not going to fall apart. So I thought they'd be good for wands and things like that. So I got those, and let's move on to the next thing. I found these zipper seal bags, and there's 40 in here, and they're 3.8 inches wide by 5 3/4 inches high. So I needed some like mid-size little Ziploc bags, so I think these will be good just to store little things in. I have little teeny ones and then big ones, so these look fine. They're kind of thin, but it's Dollar Tree. What do you expect? But anyway, that's a good size, so I just wanted to grab those. I found these. I was watching Mommy Loves Gigi's Dollar Tree haul, and she had gotten these fabric gift bags, and they do come in all sorts of colors. She gotten most of them, I think, but I just picked up the blue ones just to see, how I liked them. They had like pink and green, and what else did they have? I don't really remember, but let me see where to cut oh, I don't think I have to cut them open. Yeah, they're resealable. So, and she had said they're not really fabric, they're more like plastic, so that's fine. I thought they'd be fun for just like gift packaging or, Happy Mail or something. So yeah, they're kind of plasticky, maybe a little, I don't know, that's not really fabric on the inside, but I guess you would call it fabric. They're loosely fabric. So they have the drawstring, and I really like this bluish color. I thought that was nice. So yeah, happy with those, and they come 3 in a pack. So those were in the party section along with those two things. I also grabbed, let's see, I think she had hauled these too, Mommy Loves Gigi. These are burlap trims. These are in the floral section. So I got 2 of these, and I wanted to see what they look like on the inside. So maybe you'd like to see also. So it comes with 3 different varieties, and there's only 1 yard of each. So that's why I grabbed 2. So of course they're all taped. Let me get that tape off. Okay, so looks like that. So that'll be nice to add to like either cards or, DIYs. I like that one. And then there's this version, just kind of like a tighter weave. Looks like A's kind of, or V's. And then this one has the scallops. I'd like to see that one. I'm done. Let's take a look. So that one looks like that. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. So yeah, I think that's not a bad deal for $1.25, just a yard each, but 3 yards. So yeah, a couple of those. My Dollar Tree will probably never get those. I also grabbed these. I saw her haul these as well. These are vase filler, and these came in silver too, but I just kind of like this like cream color one, and it's a little iridescent too. They're kind of like little gemmies. I don't know, you don't have to use it for vase filler. I wonder if you can use they're a little too big for shakers, but they're kind of like gem shape, I don't know. We could figure something out to do with those. Very dimensional, really, really cute. So yeah, got those. And I think I got these LED lighted tweezers. I have tweezers, that I use in my bathroom, but okay. It comes with batteries. Good. I was going to say, oh no, I don't want to have to buy batteries, but we'll see how this goes. I'll probably like shine this in my eye and blind myself or something, but yeah, that's, they have that in the beauty section. Oh, I did get a couple other things. Okay, sorry, I forgot about these. I got this ribbon. This is by Offray, and I might have this already. It's aqua and it's got like white swirls on it, so I thought that was really pretty. 3 yards, 3/8 of an inch ribbon. I like that width. I also got this. This is a Red Heart brand, so it's not a Dollar Tree brand, and this is called Sizzle. It's 100% nylon, 100 yards. So it's by Coats & Clark, and this is the ivory color. They also had a hot pink one. I just didn't think I would use that, but it's just some nice nylon like thread or, very thin very thin cord. I was saying cord. Anyway, so I thought I could use that for something. And then I saw these. I don't remember seeing people haul this, but it is floral ribbon, and it is 30 feet, so that's 10 yards. So I got it in the silver and the gold. So let's open this and see what it looks like. I don't remember seeing this on Mommy Loves Gigi's haul, but maybe it was there and I missed it. But let me cut this tape off just to give you an idea of what kind of, texture this is. And me too. Okay, so it had plastic on it and tape. Very secure. Oops. Trying to do it quick, but okay. So, it is like ribbon. I bet you could die cut this pretty easily. So this side is like a matte finish, and this one is shinier. So I'm sure this is supposed to be the back, but you could totally use as the front, and it's kind of textured. So I like this. This will be great to die cut, I think. I'm going to try that. I'll try some bows and let you know how it goes. So yep, there's gold, silver. There was like a dark green too, but I didn't think I would need that. So yeah, we'll give that a try. And that is it from Dollar Tree. Okay, so I also went to Joann's, and I went to one in the other part of town that I don't usually go to. This Joann's is bigger than my usual one. So I went to their, button section, and they have a doorbuster or some sale going on now. It's like buy 3, get 2 free of buttons and notions and stuff. But a lot of these were on clearance already. So some were on clearance, some were buy 3, get 2 free. So let me just show you the ones I got. I got these, it says MM Hearts Baby Girl Palette. I don't know what the MM stands for. I don't know, but this Joann had a really good selection of the little buttons, and I like all the pastel colors of those teeny tiny hearts. So it could be micro mini actually. And then I also got this palette too. This one is called Shabby Chic, so you can see the different colors there. Very pretty. I love heart buttons. I like to use them as buttons, embellishments on cards, and also shaker bits. So there were those. I don't know if I got any more just hearts. Let's see. I'm trying to organize stuff, but all right, I guess that was just the hearts. I got this tassel combo gray, and this was definitely one of the discontinued ones. And this has hearts and stars in gray, different shades of gray. And then it comes with a few little tassels and a little pom-pom. The tassels come like teeny tiny, smaller, and medium. And it was $3.99, but then 70% off. The ones that were on clearance were 70% off. So I got that one. And then I got this grouping too, Tassel Combo Pastel. And I like those tassels a lot, but I really like the buttons. Again, with the pastel hearts, and this one has stars too. So a little bit different than the other ones. But I'll probably like mix all these up in like a jar or something. I don't know. Got to figure out how to store those. And then I got this tassel combo in pink. So it's got the pink tassels, And then these stars and hearts, and also like the little circles in different shades of pink. So that's another tassel combo. And these ones, this one is tiny ladybugs. They had bigger ladybugs, but I like these ones. And they're very cute. They're buttons, but you could just snip those off with like your wire cutter. So I like those a lot. And then I got this group. This is called Harmony, and these are just like floral buttons, and they come in shades of pink and cream and brown, just different combinations. So I thought those were really pretty. I thought these would look cute on a card. Maybe use like, you know, like this burlap ribbon on the edge of a card and put a button or two on there. So that's what I was thinking. And how many are in there? 10 pieces. Okay. And then there's this set I got, Rounds Into the Woods, and they had different colors. I couldn't decide what to get, but I figured I'd get this one because I don't really have that many brown buttons. So, and these are all like sagey muted colors. So 16 in there. And then I saw this group and I thought it was really pretty. It's called Country Garden, and these are flat back buttons, which I love. And they're just really pretty colors of pinks and peaches and creams. So I think that's about 8 pieces, okay. And then this one looks kind of like that too. This one's called Pearl Flowers. And these are just kind of like textured flowers, and they have some like bling in the middle, it looks like. And this one is 10 pieces. And these are those like pretty muted, like opal kind of colors, I would call them. I don't know. But so that's my button. I just love buttons, you guys. My button haul from Joann's. I also got some embossing folders from there because right now they have buy for $10 embossing folders, and they're normally like, let's see. Oh, that's not my receipt. They're normally $4.99 or $3.99. So buy for 10 is pretty good. So I got this one, and it's the Parkline brand. I might have this one, I'm not sure, but I do like the pattern on it. So I've been so into embossing folders lately. I got this teeny polka dot one, and these look like they're about A2 size. I got a few bigger ones, but there's that one. Let me move those over a little. And then this is a bigger one. This is like a 5x7, and this is just hearts. So, yep, 5x7. What's that one? Yep, A2. Okay, and then I picked up this one too. It looks so, you know, jarring in the black, but when you emboss it, it'll look really pretty and textured. So it's a nice fine pattern. So that's the number. I don't know if that's helpful. It doesn't really have a name on it. And then the last one I got is this big polka dot one. So I got little dots and big ones, and this is also a 5x7 too. So, you know, normally $5, and then to get 5 for 10, can't beat that. And they had a pretty good selection too. So I had to, like, you know, just pick and choose and decide which ones I wanted. So that's what I got from Joann's. And the only other thing I got some digital papers from snapclicksupply.com. And they have different paper companies like Echo Park, Cosmo Cricket, Cartabella, different ones. You know, they always offer like digital paper collections. But on Wednesdays, they have this thing called $1 Wednesdays. And Sharon from Craft Eccentricity first told me or introduced me to that. So I did. The first time I ordered was this week, and I got 2 paper collections for $1 each. They vary the collections every week, what they have. So be sure and check it out on Wednesday. I got one Cosmo Cricket collection called Dutch Girl, and I've only printed out 1 paper so far, but this is the paper. And it comes out, because I just have an 8.5 by 11 printer. I have 2 8.5 by 11 printers. So to print it out on that, it comes out to be like an 8.25 inch square. So, and it comes out really nice. I use some 80-pound paper that I get from Walmart, and it printed out beautifully. I just selected best quality, and yeah, it came out really, really nice. So I have to print out the rest of this collection. I did print out one whole collection, and this one is from Samantha Walker, and it's called Perfect Picnic. So I really loved the cherries. So this is one of the pages. I'll show you all of them. So really, really nice, right? And what's great about digital papers is, you have them you can print out as many as you want. The only thing I don't like about it is that, you use a bunch of ink from your printer. So, it's not like getting a whole collection for $1. You still have to pay for your ink. But anyway, it's convenient and, yeah. So there's that one. And then this is a watermelon prints from that collection. It prints out beautifully. Really, really nice. I was wondering how the quality would come when you print it out, but I really like it. And again, I used 80-pound paper, but you can use regular printer paper. You can use 110-pound paper if your printer does that. So, and then this one, not my favorite, but maybe I'll use it for a background for something. So, and also you only have to print out the ones you like too, but I figured I'd do all of them for this collection. This one is a polka dot, and all the edges are kind of distressed, which is cute. You can, use that part or just use the middle part, whatever you'd like. So a nice aqua color. And then this one I really liked. It's like a, a picnic tablecloth one. And this is obviously green. I like that one a lot. And then this one is just like kind of summery words. It says vacation, lemonade, memories, friends, summertime, road trip. So it's, it's got a print, but you could also use it as a background because it's very subtle print. So I like that one. And these colors are so pretty. This one I love, this pretty floral, and this is actually the second one I printed out. I'm working on a project with this one. But I love like the painted flowers and the pinks and darker pinks and greens. It's just a really pretty combination. And then the last one is this. Is that the last one? Yeah, it just feels really thick. Okay, and this is like a pink circle kind of pattern. Yeah, I like the colors. And they just all go nicely together, of course. So yeah, that one, it's probably not available there now for $1. I think it's just for that one day, it's $1. So, but make sure you go on snapclicksupply.com. I'll leave the link down below and check them out on Wednesdays. I think that's such an excellent deal. So yeah, that's all I have this week. Pretty short, but if you watch my last video, I'm a guest designer for Erica for Scrap Diva 29. So I've started working on some projects for that. So I'll be back soon to show you some of those. And hopefully I'll have a Saturday morning makes project this week as well. And yeah, hopefully my next week call will include my online orders that I'm waiting for. So thank you so much for joining me, and I would love to hear what you think. I apologize for not getting back to you guys last week. I tried to like everybody's comment. I just was really, really busy, with my company over the weekend, and I'm still doing laundry from that, so and cleaning up and stuff. Totally worth it, but it's a lot of work. Obviously, if you've hosted a large gathering, you know that. So, okay, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful weekend. Take care. Bye.